The Battlefield 6 is the latest and the most popular FPS game of the late 2025. It's a demanding, high-end heavy graphics game, and you will be able to play it on the devices running on the latest and the best hardware specs. But what if you got a device with slightly older hardware? To find this, we decided to play the Battlefield 6 on our Asus Zephyrus Z16 running on Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor along with Nvidia RTX 4060 GPU to see how good the gameplay of Battlefield 6 is going to be on it. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. The Asus Zephyrus G16 we got here comes with 16 GB RAM, a 240Hz refresh rate display, along with Nvidia RTX 4060 and the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H. We played the Battlefield 6 on different graphic setting and screen resolution, and the performance of the device was quite satisfactory on higher graphic setting and quite impressive on lower resolution and graphic setting. I initially played all of these games on 2K resolution. On ultra graphic setting, I got around 40 FPS. On high graphics, it was nearly 50 FPS. On medium graphics, I was getting around 55 FPS on average, and on low graphics, it crossed 60 FPS and I was getting 63 FPS on average. While playing the Battlefield 6 on Full HD resolution, the performance improved a bit for sure, as we got 45 FPS on average on ultra graphics, 55 FPS on high graphics, 62 FPS on average on medium graphics, and 72 FPS on low graphics. So considering the fact that the Battlefield 6 is a resource-hungry game, it comes with lifelike graphics, the performance of our Zephyrus G16 running on Intel Core Ultra 7 155H was quite impressive. There was no frame drop, no lagging, gameplay was pretty smooth and consistent. Does not matter at what resolution or graphic setting we were playing the game, and there was no throttling issue because of the heating, etc. So it clearly shows that even if you got a bit older Intel processor like the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H on your laptop, you're going to have a nice gaming experience when you play the Battlefield 6 on it. Other than the Battlefield 6, we also ran plenty of benchmarking tests as well as played some other popular games on our device, and in each of them, the performance of Intel Core Ultra 7 processor was quite impressive, as we got pretty nice scores in all of the benchmarking tests as well as the gaming titles we played. So if you are a gamer who do not want to spend too much money on the latest hardware, you can still go with an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor powered laptop, and it will be able to satisfy your gaming needs for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.